Okay, and now my engine is in upside down, and then I start to open this my engine, and I need to only take this 10mm socket and wrench, and then I can open these bolts in that way. And it takes couple of minutes time. And there is about 20 bolts, and next I open those bolts and we continue then. Okay, and now I have take all of these bolts in here away, and I can start to open this my oil sump, and for that job I need flathead screwdriver, tool, knife, and then hammer. And this opening happens so that I take first this tool, hammer or my knife, and this actually my screwdriver, and I hit that in this way. I am hitting this my screwdriver. Now this is so tight that I need to take this my knife. Look, and I insert my knife in here, and then I hammer. And I am hitting this my knife between that oil sump and then this engine body. Okay, and now it seems that this is okay. Now I managed. Look, now I managed to hit that in that way. This is like good starting point, and then the knife is there, and then I can insert my screwdriver in here, and carefully I can bend that little bit, but now I can't bend that too much because I can damage that my oil sump, and that's I need to go in this another area in that side. And now I use my knife again. I insert my knife in that position, and then knife is there, and soon I can do that same thing in all areas in this my oil sump, that I insert my knife in here. And then I do that in totally all areas what I made in here. I need to do in all areas in through that oil sump. And then this oil sump opens. And next I work couple of minutes because there is very tight sealant between this oil sump and engine body, and soon we continue. Okay, and I work in that way. Okay, good. Now this oil sump starts to open. Okay, and a little bit screwdriver. There is my screwdriver. Okay, and then I noticed that there is one bolt just in here hidden. Just when I took that bolt away, there is one bolt hidden in there. Okay, and for that job I need 10mm fence, and in here I need to open that next. Okay, and there's my 19mm socket. Okay, now this part is free, and then there's one 10mm like hidden. Okay, good. Now this my oil sump opens. One bolt. Okay, good. And then I can lift this oil sump away. So easy. Okay. And then we can continue.